Here we are in Pizza Street, Miraflores, Lima, Peru. They call this place Pizza Street because back in the day, there was like 300 pizza places on either side of the strip. Now it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more laid back. They made it so much better. This is a really cool area to walk down and get some food. They have all types of different restaurants, types of different bars. You name it, they got it here. This is called La Calle de las Pizzas. And check it out because it's worth a walk. Restaurants, bars open here at 4 o'clock in the morning, whereas everybody else closes at 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. So you got a lot of options here. It can get a little crazy, a little overwhelming, but you're in South America, and South America is overwhelming, and that is the nature of the beast. So come to Pizza Street, check it out. It's pretty friggin' awesome. Take it from the Peru Guru because he's always got you. Ciao, vamos.